If you're looking for a simple and efficient way to manage your sales pipeline, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to use Folk CRM for sales pipeline management, and I'll be walking you through the core features that can help you streamline your sales process. Folk CRM is an intuitive, easy-to-use platform designed to help teams track and manage leads, prospects, and opportunities in one place. You can visualize your entire sales pipeline from start to finish with just a few clicks, making it an ideal tool for anyone looking to stay on top of their deals without getting bogged down by complex software. You start by importing your contacts into Folk CRM. Whether you're pulling them from a spreadsheet, your email, or another CRM, the process is seamless. From there, Folk automatically organizes your contacts into customizable pipelines. You can segment leads based on criteria that are important to your business, whether it's deal stage, interest level, or product interest. This makes it incredibly easy to see exactly where each lead is in your pipeline and identify areas that need attention. Once your leads are in the system, it's time to track them. Folk CRM allows you to move leads through the pipeline with just a simple drag and drop. Whether it's a cold lead or a hot prospect, you can easily see their journey and take action at the right time. This flexibility helps you prioritize follow-ups and ensures you never lose track of an important lead. But what really makes Folk CRM stand out is its ability to automate parts of the sales process. With automations, you can set up follow-up reminders, notifications, and even send automated emails based on specific triggers. This is key for saving time and ensuring no lead slips through the cracks. Imagine having a sales assistant that works 24/7. Folk CRM offers that kind of efficiency. Another great feature is the ability to collaborate with your team. You can easily assign tasks, leave comments, and share notes on individual deals. This keeps everyone on the same page, even if you're working with a remote team or have multiple people involved in the sales process. Now, what's even better? You can try Folk CRM for free from the first link below, where we've got exclusive bonuses that'll help you get started right away. This is perfect for anyone who wants to dive into a CRM tool without a major financial commitment. The free version gives you all the basics, and if you decide to upgrade, the extended features are definitely worth considering. To wrap up, Folk CRM for sales pipeline management is one of the most user-friendly and effective tools out there. Whether you're managing a few leads or a whole sales team, it offers the flexibility and automation you need to keep everything running smoothly. And don't forget to check out the exclusive extended free trial offer from the link below. This will give you full access to all the features so you can see for yourself how much easier managing your sales pipeline can be. If you want to get ahead and manage your pipeline effectively, Folk CRM could be the solution you're looking for.